Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial in our channel. Did Android Auto stop responding correctly after the March Pixel update? Some Pixel users are reporting that the car control knob, dial or touch controller suddenly stops working inside Android Auto. The screen may open normally, but scrolling through menus or selecting apps doesn't respond properly. This can happen after system updates because Android Auto and the car's interface temporarily lose compatibility with the updated system software. The good news is that most of the time, the issue can be fixed with a quick steps like restarting Android Auto, clearing the app cache, or updating the app. So in this video, I'll show you the safe fixes that restore Android Auto controls after the March Pixel update, step by step. Let's start with the simplest fix, which is restarting the phone and car system. After a major update, Android services sometimes need a fresh restart to work correctly. First, restart your Pixel phone. Press and hold the power button, then tap Restart. After the phone turns back on, also restart your car infotainment system if possible. Many systems can be restarted by turning the car completely off and waiting for a minute and then starting it again. Once both systems restart, reconnect Android Auto and check whether the control knob or input dial works normally again. If not, sometimes the issue appears because the installed Android Auto version isn't fully optimized for the latest Pixel update, so let's update the Android Auto app. Just open the Google Play Store on your phone. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner, then select Manage Apps and Device. Tap Updates Available and look for Android Auto in the list and install any available update. Google often releases quick patches after Android system updates to fix compatibility issues with vehicle systems. After updating the app, reconnect your phone to the car and test the controls again. Now, corrupted cache files can also cause input glitches inside the Android Auto app, so let's clear the Android Auto cache. Just open Settings on your Pixel phone. Tap Apps. Then scroll down and find Android Auto. Tap Storage and Cache, then tap Clear Cache. Clearing this removes temporary files that may conflict with the updated system. After clearing it, reconnect your phone to your car and launch Android Auto again. Many users find that control knob or touch input works normally after this step. Now, sometimes the saved connection profile between your phone and vehicle becomes outdated after a system update, so let's reconnect the car in Android Auto settings. Open Settings, then go to Connected Device on Android Auto app, of course. Tap Connection Preferences, then open Android Auto. Look for the list of previously connected cars. Remove your car from the list and now reconnect your phone and the car using the USB cable or wireless connection again. Android Auto will create a fresh connection profile, which often fixes control input issues. And finally, if you're using a wired Android Auto connection, the problem may also be related to the USB connection, so let's try a different USB cable or port. Disconnect the cable from your phone and car, then reconnect it securely. If possible, try a different USB cable, preferably a high-quality data cable. Some cables work for charging but do not handle stable data connections, which can cause input or connection glitches. After reconnecting, launch Android Auto again and test the controls. And that's how you can fix Android Auto control problems after the March Pixel update. In many cases, updating Android Auto or clearing the app cache restores normal controls immediately. If Android Auto is still not responding correctly, leave a comment with your Pixel model and car brand, and I'll try to help you out. And if you want more quick Android fixes and Pixel troubleshooting guides, like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next video.